Good morning from RDJ ground in Noida, where the Indian Coast Guard is hosting a special yoga session to mark the International Day of Yoga. Here on the 21st of June 2025, over 1,000 ICG personnel and their families have gathered for this vibrant display of unity, fitness, and mindfulness.
Rub it nicely, generate some heat, and relax your palm on your eyes. Slowly release your palm down.
Behind me, you can see the disciplined yet peaceful participation of Coast Guard personnel and their families in various yoga asanas. The event was inaugurated at 6 a.m. by Director General Paramesh Sivamani, AVSM, PTM, TM, DG, ICG. The importance of yoga in the strengthening both the body and the mind, especially crucial for forces entrusted with the nation's maritime security. As the sun rises higher and the session winds down, the message from today is clear. Wellness is not just a practice but a way of life. The Indian Coast Guard initiatives on this International Yoga Day is a fine example of how discipline and self-care go hand in hand. From RDJ ground, this is Tejo Talnakor reporting for Sudarshan Well with camera person Ritik Kumar. Now we have with us DG Paramesh Sivamani. Sir, what message does the Indian Coast Guard hope to convey to the nation through its active participation on International Yoga Day?
Through this International Yoga Day, the message we want to give is for sustained peace and well-being of all the human beings on our great planet. And as our Honorable Prime Minister keeps saying, Har Kaam Desh Ke Naam, we need to follow that in letter and spirit to ensure that our nation and the planet stand to benefit from this wonderful initiative of International Yoga Day.
Given the demanding nature of service lives, how do you see yoga contributing to the physical and mental readiness of Coast Guard personnel?
As you are aware that ours is a seagoing service and most of us spend majority of our service life out at sea. So yoga is a very good way to, break the stress and monotony of the sea life which we have and help us lead a very balanced and stable life free of stress and strain.
Now we have with us one of the participants of International Yoga Day at Indian Coast Guard, Noida, Mrs. Indu. How was today's experience for you and how do you think such wellness initiatives should be a regular part of force life?
Yes, it's a wonderful experience today, and now we have been doing it quite regular. So I felt very comfortable. It was not at all stressful and wonderful. We have just come from Mumbai, and there we had a yoga day in a rainy season, and now in the sunlight. So it's a difference. So and I really enjoyed.